Elevin Racing offers rear shock mounts for your Porsche 964 and 993. This kit is intended to work with coilover setups, however, it can be adapted to work with factory or lowering springs. It's also suited to work perfectly with Von coilover systems or other similar solutions. These shock mounts use high-strength hardened steel spherical bearings and are direct replacements for the factory mounts. The Teflon-lined spherical bearings used in our kit are maintenance-free and require no supplemental lubrication. We've designed in weather seals on the top and bottom to keep out dirt and extend product life. This is the only shock mount suitable for street or extended track use. The spherical bearing in these Elevin Racing shock mounts pivot freely and eliminates deflection that's inherent with factory-style rubber shock mounts. This is important because a factory rubber mount acts as a spring in series with the shock. The factory mount's rubber spring action is completely undampened and reduces the shock's ability to control the contact patch. Our mounts allow the shock damper to do its job and effectively control the tire's contact patch for predictable driving in all road and weather conditions. Available for 89 to 98 Porsche 964 and 993 applications.